Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change the app icon of Instagram. Previously this feature was not available, but to celebrate their 10th anniversary they've introduced this feature. I'll show you how to do it. For this the Instagram must be up to date. If not, please go to Play Store and update Instagram. You'll go to Play Store and search Instagram, or you'll go to my apps and games and do it Instagram. And mine is already up to date. So I'll open my Instagram. This is my account, and in the bottom right corner you'll have a profile photo. Click on that, and on the top right corner you'll have three lines. We'll click on that. Under that we'll click settings. Then we'll get this page. When we swipe down, we'll get the icons of Instagram, and now we can choose any one of it. If we are using an Android, you'll get a shortcut for Instagram, but if you're using an iOS device, the app icon itself gets updated. Now we can choose from any of it, and when we click on an icon it will show add to home screen. We'll click on add, and then we'll go home and we'll check it out if it's added. Here it is. This is the app shortcut for Instagram. But for Android users, the app icon will remain the same and you'll just get a shortcut. That's it guys, we've got it. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.